Today, we're going to look at Japanese Hiragana Part 3. Hi everyone, this is Salo and welcome to Ninja Glossa, your language learning hub. This channel is entirely dedicated to language learning. I'm going to try my best to share with you my knowledge and passion that I've got for foreign languages and cultures. So these are all the kana we have covered so far. As you can see, we're almost there. So the next kana in this video is me. Me on its own means I, like my eye. So my eye, watashi no me. The next kana is o, just the vowel o. Like in the word Ōsaka, to say the Japanese city Ōsaka, we pronounce a long O at the beginning. So Ōsaka, O, as you can see, Ōsaka. Another word similar to Ōsaka is Ōkii. Ōkii means big. Ōkii Nami. これは大きい波です。Nami, as you might have presumed, means wave, like in the Japanese word tsunami. Tsunami, in fact, in Japanese, literally translated, means harbor wave. So nami on its own means wave. So a big wave would be ōkii nami. The next kana is ku. Ōkii kuma, bear. Ōkii kuma. The next kana is ke. Like in the word sake. Sake means liqueur or just spirit, Japanese spirit or alcohol. Sake. Or another word containing the ke sound is ike. Ike means lake. Ike. The next kana is se. Like in the word sensei. Whenever you have a kana that ends in the sound e, like se, me, ne, he, and so on and so forth, and it's followed by e, you prolong the e sound. So you do not pronounce sensei. You just say sensei. The next kana is tsu. Like in the word tsukue. Tsukue means desk. Tsukue. The next kana is the vowel e. Like in the Japanese word ie means no. The opposite of hai. Hai, そうです。いいえ、そうじゃありません。いいえ、そうじゃありません。No, it's not. So, はい、いいえ。The next kana is ho. Like in the word hon, which means book. hon. The next kana is ni. Ni. So Japan is Nihon. Nihon. Although you can also hear the word Nippon. Nippon. Nippon is a different variation of Nihon, but I will explain how P sound is created from the Ho in the next video. The next kana is Ro. Ro. Like in the words shiroi and kuroi. Shiroi means white. Shiroi. And kuroi. Kuroi means black. Kuroi. Shiroi, kuroi. The next kana is re. Re. So rekishi. Rekishi. This Japanese word rekishi means history. Rekishi, history. One thing I would like to say about the sound r, like in the kanas ra, ri, ru, re, ro. In Japanese, it doesn't really make a difference if you say ra, ri, ru, re, ro or la, li, lu, le, lo. In fact, they are interchangeable. So whenever you say ra, ri, ru, re, ro, you can also say la, li, lu, le, lo. So a word like rekishi can also be said lekishi. The next kana is yu. Yu. Like in the word yuki. Yuki, which means snow. Yuki, snow. So these are all the kanas covered so far. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave any comments below.